India is boosting its overall firepower along the 1,300-kilometer long line of actual control in the eastern sector in the face of China's aggressive posturing following the Ladakh standoff. The Indian Army has beefed up overall defences in the region, especially in the Tawang sector in Arunachal Pradesh, by integrating various services in real time through automation.
India has deployed its latest M777 ultralight howitzers along with the battle-proven Bofors artillery guns at Tawang sector near the line of actual control LAC to tackle any threat from the Chinese side in the eastern sector. The force has also deployed the upgraded version of the L-70 anti-aircraft guns at high-altitude locations along the LAC. The upgraded vintage L-70 air defense guns have enhanced target acquisition and automatic target tracking capabilities under all weather conditions with high-resolution electro-optical sensors. Deputy Commander of Aviation Brigade of the area, Navneet Kahil, on Wednesday said the Airspace Control Center has been built to be more vigilant along the LAC.
New raising brigade for the eastern sector, which has just come up. We are just about 6 months old, and we have established our core airspace control center for the first time in the forward area, and we have enmeshed ourselves with the field formations, and all our assets are now totally integrated with the field formations.
To boost its battle preparedness, the Indian Army is undergoing P190 program, which makes the soldier undergo tough physical and mental training along with drills on a daily basis. Thousands of Indian and Chinese troops have been locked in a high-altitude face-off in India's Ladakh region since last year, despite the two militaries holding more than a dozen rounds of talks to defuse the situation. India moved troops to its eastern stretch of the border since the clashes erupted last year. Arunachal Pradesh, which China calls South Tibet, was at the center of a full-scale border war between India and China in 1962, and security analysts have warned that it could become a flashpoint again.